Welcome back to the channel, everybody, where today we will be smoking wings out on the Oklahoma Joe's. We're going to be smoking these wings with 4 different flavors, and I will also be making a special dip to go along with them. The flavors we're going to make today are going to be your traditional buffalo sauce. I have a hot honey hickory barbecue sauce. We have a Thai sweet chili sauce. And then I'm going to be making a hot honey whiskey glaze for another one of the flavors. And then the dip will be a Chipotle Adobe ranch dip, which will add a lot of flavor to just using basic ranch. All right, let's get this party started. Let's get these wings on. And first off, we have to make the hot honey whiskey glaze and the Chipotle Adobe ranch dip to let those flavors start mixing and doing their thing. And then we'll get the chicken wings laid out, season them up, and get them out there on the Oklahoma Joe's. Okay, now it's time to make our hot honey whiskey glaze. We will be using 1 cup of honey, 2 tablespoons of whiskey, and 8 tablespoons of hot sauce. Now let's get to mixing this up. Alright, first we're going to do the 1 cup of honey. Okay, next we're going to add the 2 tablespoons of whiskey. Just like that. And now we got the 8 tablespoons of hot sauce. You can make this as hot or as mild as you want. And number 8. Now let's get all this mixed in. And there you have it, hot honey whiskey glaze. Okay, next we're going to make our Chipotle Adobe ranch dip. Obviously you're going to need ranch, and you are going to need a can of Chipotle peppers and Adobe sauce. What you're going to do is about a cup or so of the ranch. We may put more in there, and then put in as many of these peppers as you want for whatever flavor you're trying to get out of it. Alright, let's get these peppers diced up, and then we'll get everything mixed together. I think that'll be good for now. Yeah, this will mix in nice with the ranch. Alright, let's get some ranch in here. Now our peppers. And we'll see if that'll be enough. Give it a mix. Let's give it a taste. Ah, perfect. Very good. Okay, we got our dip made. We made the glaze. Now we got to prep the chicken for the smoker. Okay, we got the wings all laid out. Time to season them up now. I'll be using some Weber kickin' chicken seasoning. And to that, I will also be doing some cool smoke barbecue rub with cayenne and smoked paprika. I think I'm going to skip the Weber kickin' chicken. I think this looks good the way it is. I'll get them all flipped over. I'll season the other side, and I'll get the Oklahoma Joes fired up. And when it's time to throw these babies on the smoker, I'll bring you back. All right, let's get the charcoal dumped in. All right, we'll let the charcoal get all set. I'll add a piece of wood as well, and we'll wait for this to get going good enough and get some good clean smoke burning out of here. All right, the coals and fire are ready. Let's get this chicken on. Put them on these racks so I can move them around easily if I needed to. All right, we're going to be cooking this temperature about 250, and it should take about an hour and a half, 2 hours tops, to get these all cooked up to eating temperature, 165. We can even go 170, 175, 180. It doesn't matter. Wings are pretty forgiving. But anyways, let's get this lid closed. Let's get this cooking and smoking beginning. You know, I'm really impressed that this Oklahoma Joe's really holds its temp. As soon as you get it dialed in, it just stays there and maintains. We're sitting here rocking these wings at 250 degrees, basically at both ends of the grill. Very impressed with this Oklahoma Joe's. Alright, just added another log, some apple chips that I had, and that round log you see there is part of a branch that fell down off of our apple tree that I cut up. Even though it's not totally dry, it still burns well and will give great flavor. Okay, we are 1 hour into this cook. Let's see how they're looking. Oh, they're looking great. Getting some good color on them. Let's get a quick probe temp and see where they're at. We're at about 124, 25-ish. About the same for that one. Let's see on the other side here. These are a little more done. I think I'm going to flip these racks. I'm going to put this one to the left and the left one to the right. Get some even cooking done. All right, let's get these switched around. All right, close it back up, let them continue to cook. I think I'm gonna spritz them with a little bit of apple juice here. All right, that should be good. All right, close it up. We'll check it back later. Okay, it's been an hour and a half into this cook time. Let's see where these wings are at temperature-wise. At 133. About 138. Let's get this temperature cranked up. Let's get these wings finished. All right, I'm going to add some more apple chunks and another piece of wood. Alright, we'll let that catch fire. Let it roll for about 5 minutes with flame on it. Get rid of that dirty smoke, and then we'll close the lid. Yeah, it catches pretty quick. Alright, we got a nice roaring fire. Time to get this lid closed. Alright, we're going to spray these chicken wings with some cooking oil. That'll help make the skin get a little more crispy. Oh yeah, they're looking really good. Alright, we'll come back in a little bit and check on them. remember one thing, if I can cook it, you can cook it. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll catch you on the next one.